The Masai are a Nilotic ethnic group inhabiting northern, central, and southern Kenya and northern Tanzania. Known for their distinctive customs, dress, and residence near many game parks of the African Great Lakes region, the Masai are among the best-known local populations internationally. Key aspects of the Masai culture. Language. The Masai speak the Ma language, also called Masai, which belongs to the Nilo-Saharan language family. They also speak Swahili and English, especially in Kenya and Tanzania. Lifestyle. Traditionally, the Masai are semi-nomadic and pastoral, primarily relying on cattle for their livelihood. Cattle are central to Masai culture, serving as a primary source of food and a measure of wealth and social standing. Clothing. The Masai are easily recognizable by their distinctive dress, which includes the shuka, a red-checked cloth wrapped around the body. Both men and women may adorn themselves with colorful beaded jewelry. Social structure. The Masai society is patriarchal, with elder men making most decisions for the community. Age sets. Groups of people of similar age who undergo certain life stages together are a fundamental social unit. Rituals and ceremonies. The Masai practice various rites of passage, including circumcision for boys and